I'm Average Joe. Welcome to the channel of Learn Chinese Free. This is a free channel. You can learn the authentic native speakers Chinese. So I am a local Chinese living in China. My mother tongue is the language of Chinese, the local language. So if you want to learn authentic Chinese, then you can subscribe the channel to avoid missing future update. So today is a sunny day, so there's many many Chinese characters, many words that maybe you are not familiar. But if today I will teach you a very useful name, a very famous name, which is Donald John Trump. The president of U.S. So how to read it and write in Chinese the name of Donald John Trump. So if you feel interested, then you keep on. I will write for you to how to write this name, and how to write and how to read Donald John Trump. So very famous people. So okay, let's start. Okay, so welcome back. So let's have a look. First, I will write it in English. So for this Donald John Trump. So this is English, and I will show you how to write it in Chinese. Donald, which means 唐纳德 John, which means 约翰. It seems complicated, right? The character is complicated than English. Yeah, you're right. Sometimes the Chinese character is more complicated than the English. John means 约翰. Trump. In the Chinese, in the mainland China, the official translation for the Trump is 特朗普. So Donald John Trump, which means in China you can read it 唐纳德约翰特朗普. Okay, so I will give you the phonics of Chinese character phonics. Let's have a look. 唐, if you know the 唐. 纳, okay, let's have a look. 德约翰特朗普. 唐纳德约翰特朗普. So this is the name of U.S. president in Chinese, how to read it and how to write it. Okay, so I think now this is the name of the U.S. president, how to read it and write it in Chinese. So you can use this word like using Chinese. The president of USA is Donald John Trump. How can you say it in Chinese? The Chinese is 美国总统是唐纳德·约翰·特朗普, which means the U.S. president is Donald John Trump. 美国总统是唐纳德·约翰·特朗普, which means the U.S. president name is Donald John Trump. So it's easy, piece of cake, right? Okay, so see you next time, and subscribe the channel to know more about the Chinese, and thumb up. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.